I hate this moisturizer and I'm gonna try and get rid of it by just putting it next to my bed and see if it, it's supposed to, this hydrating watermelon infused jelly pop collection uses unique jelly textures to give you lasting sheer color, dewy skin, and a healthy glow. So maybe if I keep it next to my bed when I don't always do my skincare, I can like put it on and be, you know, skinified. Because it does not feel nice under makeup. Do I need to shape my eyebrows again? No. Okay. Okay, work. Okay. Yeah. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. Serious as a heart attack. This is my favorite black liner. The Dretch Cosmetics Deep Space Liner in black. I want them to make a brown one. Okay. Okay, so this is it. This is I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, Pinterest, and Goodreads, all as Megan_Blush_. You can check out my media channel, formerly Planet Blush, now Megalina. I talk about books and I talk about The Bachelor. I've so chosen to present myself to the world as yeah. You can check out my last video. It should be something where I'm wearing brown. And you can also subscribe, generally where my face is. Bye guys, bye.